If you are having trouble finding English speaking partners who fit your English level and your schedule, the SpeakNative app is here to help. Now, let's see how it works. In SpeakNative, whenever you have time to practice English speaking, click Practice Now to join the live practice session. You will see all users available for conversation. You may watch their self-introduction videos and invite any one of them for voice call. You can do video chat too. Finding English-speaking partners can be easy. Let's start by downloading SpeakNative now.